guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Viva La Pink Posh, and for those of you who are new here, welcome. So as you guys can see by today's title, we are going to be doing another business video to help you guys grow and excel your online businesses. This video, I feel like it's so well awaited because I feel like you guys need this. Like, you guys need this. There are literally people out there selling Alibaba vendors when you can just get them for free. Today's video, I am going to be showing you guys how to properly shop on Alibaba. Yes, there are proper ways to do it. You cannot just go on Alibaba and pick any vendor to be your plug. Like, that's not how it works. And that's why I'm making this video for you guys, to show you guys the proper way to find legit vendors on Alibaba. So if you are interested in this video, keep on watching. I'm actually going to switch on to screen just so I can literally show you guys how to go about finding vendors. And I am going to be using my phone screen because I feel like a lot of people use their phone to shop for vendors and not so much on the computer. So I'm going to be using my phone screen, recording my phone screen, literally showing you guys how to use Alibaba to find good vendors. Okay, so before we switch on to screen recording mode, I just want to give you guys a few quick tips for shopping on Alibaba. The first thing you want to make sure is that the vendor you are looking at is a gold supplier, because to become a gold supplier, the vendors actually have to pay to get that status. And this just helps Alibaba push their products more. So obviously, if you're paying for a service, you're not gonna mess that up. So definitely make sure your supplier is a gold supplier. So the second thing you want to look for is if your Alibaba supplier is a assessed supplier. Assessed supplier is Alibaba will actually send someone there from a third party to inspect this supplier to make sure they are up to like A1 standards and everything checks out with that company, their wholesale, the way they're doing business. So definitely look for assessed suppliers. Also, the third tip I want to give you guys is to make sure that the companies that you go with are 5 years with experience or more. They know their stuff. The fourth and last super quick tip is to make sure that the products have accurate descriptions. Like, you don't want a product that just has one picture and doesn't really tell you what the product is about. You want the product description to be on point. If it's makeup, you want the ingredients inside of the palette, inside of the lip gloss. You want everything to be at your disposal. Like, you want to know everything about what you're going to buy. So that is the last quick tip that I'm going to recommend for you guys. And now I'm just going to switch to on screen to show you guys how the whole process goes to shopping on Alibaba and how to do it the right way. Okay guys, so we are here on Alibaba's homepage, and the first thing we're going to do is pretty much search for what you're going to be selling, what you're looking to sell, what you're interested in. So I'm just going to go with sunglasses, and I'm just going to search sunglasses. And here you can see these are all the listings for sunglasses, but like, how do you know these companies are reliable? How do you know their stuff is good? How do you know they're actually going to ship it? So the first thing you're going to look at is the MOQ, which is the minimum order quantity. This is pretty much how many products you can get. Like, some of them have 2 pieces where you're only required to buy 2 pieces. A lot of these companies require you to buy like 1,000, which is way too much, especially when you're just starting out. You want to start out small. Okay, so the first seller we have here, which is Wenzhou. This seller has 10 years experience. They are verified. So we are going to click on this seller. Again, you want to make sure that you're going with sellers who have 5 or more years of experience selling. Okay, so this seller has 5.0 star reviews. That means they are A1. They only have 11 buyers on this one product. So this is pretty much how they look. You can go to their store and see how many total transactions they've had. You can see ratings. You can see their promotions. everything you need to know about this company is going to be on their company page. So you can just pick visit store. Okay, so as you stroll down, you can see reviews. I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys did not know that, but Alibaba does have reviews, which is also why when I purchase from Alibaba, I like to try to leave a review just to help other people out. So these sunglasses have one review. You can click that review and you can actually see the quality and what that person thinks of what they purchased. Okay, so going up, let's say I like these glasses. As you can see, it's $1.90 per piece, but you have to order 2 pieces or more. So I like to go to chat now. I don't send an inquiry. I just go to chat now, and you pretty much just want to ask them what is their MOQ and what is the price per product. Sometimes it will say $1.45 and their price will be way more than that. So you always want to ask what is their price per product. So if you agree with the price that they gave you, then you're going to move forward to the next step, which is you're going to be asking them how much it would be to ship the products to your location. So they're going to ask for your shipping information and they're going to calculate everything for you. So you want to calculate how many products you're going to be getting. Say you're getting 20 glasses. So I want to calculate 20 glasses shipping to New York State or New York City, wherever you live. And then they're going to give you the total price. And that price is how you are going to determine your profit margin. So obviously, when you sell these sunglasses, you're going to know how much you are selling these glasses for. So you're just going to do the math, divide it, whatever. Say the price is $200. So you're going to divide the 200 by the 20 glasses that you're going to be getting. And that's how you are going to be able to determine the price of your product. Okay, so moving on. Also, if you find like other glasses or you think they might have other glasses that you might be interested in, you can just ask them for a catalog of all of their products and they will send you the catalog, and most likely you can just order a bunch of different shades and styles from that one company, which is so much better than strolling down Alibaba. Oh, I like these glasses. Oh, I like these glasses. No, you just ask one company for the catalog and you're lit. Okay, so now let's say that company gave you a quote for $200. Don't just go with that first company that you got the quote from. You want to go and ask around. You want to ask multiple companies the same thing that you just asked that other company. You can copy and paste to make things easier. And you just want to get different prices. This way you're shopping around so you get the cheapest price. Thus, you're making more money. And that's how we want it. We want the profit to be a lot, but the initial cost to be as cheap as possible. So guys, that is going to be it for my first Alibaba video. There are going to be a few of these because I feel like this subject is one of the most important things, because a lot of us are located in the States and we do rely on Alibaba to be our vendors, to be the plug. So I'm here to help you guys to figure out the right way to do it. I'm just here to make these videos to make your transactions smoother and for you to be less worried. So guys, till next time, thank you so much for watching this video. Definitely be on the lookout for my next Alibaba video. I will be posting it this week, giving you guys these gems. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, guys. Bye.